How to redeem promo codes in Webtoon. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can redeem promo codes in Webtoon. For this, you want to open up any web browser, then search for Webtoon. Now head over to this website right here, which is webtoons.com. Once you get here, make sure to sign into your account by entering all of your credentials. Now click on the username, then click on the option of account from here. Here you have your login information, nickname, email information, your Patreon information. Go ahead and find the option of redeem free coins. Here it says select the button on the right to enter your promotion code. So go ahead and click on this redeem your free coins option. Now the promotion will be applied to the account you are currently logged in. Here you want to select the device type for which you would like to apply your promotion code. So select whether it is iOS or Android. Remember that coins are not interchangeable between Android and iOS even when logged in with the same account. Promotion codes cannot be reused once applied. So now here you want to enter your promotion code, then click on the apply option, and in this way you can redeem promo codes in Webtoon. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.